Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to stop pop-ups in the Temu app. So let's get started. First, here's the important thing to understand. You can't fully remove in-app pop-ups inside Temu. Those deals, screens, and promos are built into the app itself. But you can reduce how often you see Temu ads overall. To do this, step 1 is by turning off personalized ads on your Google account. So go ahead and open any browser or Google browser on your phone. Then from here, you want to tap on your profile icon. Then you want to scroll down and click on More Settings. Then under Activity, you want to tap on Search History. Then go to Controls tab. From here, scroll down. Tap Go to My Ad Center. And on this page, you want to make sure that you turn off personalized ads. Once you do this, this helps reduce Temu ads across apps and websites. Next, you want to block ad tracking in your browser. What you need to do is open your browser settings. Then click on Privacy and Security. Choose third-party cookies. Then enable Block third-party cookies. Now, this won't remove Temu's in-app promos, but it will cut down Temu ads you see elsewhere online. Now, inside the Temu app itself, the best thing you can do is reduce notifications. So to do this, go to your profile and then click on Notifications. Then you want to choose Notifications. Right, and then from here, what you need to do is turn off push notifications. Now this stops Temu from constantly sending pop-ups through notifications. Again, on your Temu app, just click on the settings icon right over here, notifications, and turn off pop-ups through push notifications. And one quick warning, you want to try to avoid third-party ad blocker apps. Most of them ask for risky permissions and don't work properly with shopping apps like Temu anyway. So that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!